There's no doubt about it, starting a search-based channel is a great way to make money online. But you may have the question, what sort of search-based channel do you start? A lot of people get hung up on this, on choosing which type of search-based channel they want to start, and a lot of people know about the apps niche in the search-based business model. So in this video, I'm going to be talking specifically about the apps niche and how you can start a YouTube channel in the apps niche, because I got a lot of comments asking for this specific video. So now let's just get straight into it. So this is an example of a search-based channel in the apps niche. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, it's basically when you do search-based titles and search-based topics all relating to apps and stuff on your phone. So you don't even need to use a laptop to be able to make these tutorials. You might need to edit on a laptop, or you can outsource the editing, but you can get started and do all these videos with just a mobile phone. So this is an example channel. I'll show you 3 example channels, then I'll talk a little bit more about how you actually get these videos created and stuff like that. So this channel called Guard Realm, quite a big channel in the apps niche, 661,000 subscribers and 3.8k videos. So if I just go to their videos tab, you can see that most of these tutorials that he's actually uploading onto his channel are going to be on the phone. So you can see how to stop Google from saving search history, how to add music to WhatsApp status, how to know if someone blocked you on Telegram. So all these various apps that you found on your mobile phone, he's doing hundreds and hundreds and thousands of these different types of tutorials, because as you can see, he has 3.8k videos, quite a bit of videos. So with this niche and with search-based channels in general, you will need to record a lot of videos yourself or outsource a lot of videos to make this actually profitable and a solid business. So that's one example channel. And you may be asking yourself, what sort of views can you get just talking about various types of apps and stuff? So if I go to the social blade of this channel, you can see that he's getting 13.4 million views in the apps niche, which is incredible. It's a lot of views. So that's probably around $30,000 to $35,000 per month that is making just on the AdSense revenue alone. And then here's another channel, also a big channel, 355k subscribers. Not as many videos as the previous channel, but still a good amount. And you can see that all he's talking about is Apple Music, screen mirroring on iPhone, Apple Pay Cash, Facebook and stuff like that. So generally the same sort of thing. So this channel is basically talking about the same sort of things, but this is more relating to the low RPM apps like Prime Video, YouTube, Facebook, Gcash, Apple Music and stuff like that. So these are the sorts of topics that you'll be finding for your search-based channel. And what sort of views does this channel get? So this one is getting 5.5 million views in the apps niche, which is also a lot of views. So let's go look at one more channel right here, and you can see Processing Brains, 226,000 subscribers, 2.5k videos, and he's doing the same thing. He's talking about TikTok, he's talking about Instagram, he's talking about iPhones and stuff like that. So this is all gonna be these search-based topics, and you can see these thumbnails aren't the best when it comes to the search-based channels, but they do get a high click-through rate. And the reason they get a high click-through rate is because when people, for an example, type in how to save TikTok draft video, they are looking for that exact thing. And when you put your video in front of them, they're going to click on it. And the thumbnail doesn't have to be that great. So that's why it gets a high click-through rate. A thumbnail like this can have a click-through rate of like 15-20%, which is crazy when you're talking about a traditional YouTube video click-through rate of between 5 and 10%. Search-based click-through rates are often really high. And let's look at the views this channel gets. Processing Brains, 1.38 million views on his channel, definitely a good amount. And you can see all these channels, if we go to the social blade of Guard Realm and we have a look at his statistics, you can see here that over time, as you continue to upload and upload and upload, your views just increase exponentially. So that's not just the only channel that does that. Also with this Gauging Gadgets channel, you can see it starts off here, flatlining a bit, and then as the videos start to rank and hundreds of videos start to rank, you can see you end up with millions of views. Let's look at the Processing Brains channel. This one's actually decreasing because I think he stopped uploading for a while. But you're going to have good views for like a couple of months to a year if you don't upload, and then it will slowly go down like you see here. But still, 1.4 million views there is really, really good. You may be asking yourself, how do you find these search-based topics to be able to make these videos? And I personally only use the search bar right here. So you can see the search bar. All you'll do is type how to, and then like for an example, TikTok, and then you can basically go in between how to and TikTok, and you can go through the alphabet, like how to A, and then you get all these auto suggestions, how to B, and then how to C. I've actually done a full in-depth 20-minute tutorial that shows you this exact method if you want to learn it in depth. If you want to check out that video, you can go to my channel, and it's this video right here, which is how to find searchable topics for YouTube videos. You can take a look at the thumbnail right there, and that was a video I did 4 weeks ago. It's 20 minutes long, and it shows you the exact method that I personally use to be able to get these topics by the thousands, and you will never run out of topics if you follow that method. So once you've decided on your niche, which is going to be the apps niche, you've taken a look at some of the competitors within your niche, and you can realize that you can get a lot of views. And now you know how to find the topics after watching my in-depth tutorial. Now you need to actually make these videos. There's two ways that you can actually get these videos done. You can do them yourself, or you can get them outsourced. Like in the apps niche, all the apps are going to be on your phone. So all you need is a screen recorder. So you can go on, if you're on an Android, to the Google Play, and you can download the AZ screen recorder, and it looks like this. With 50 million downloads, it's a trusted app, and you can record all these tutorials on your mobile phone just using this app. If you have an iPhone, you can just use the built-in screen recorder that comes with your iPhone. Now, once you are recording these videos, you don't want to stop uploading these videos at like 30 videos or 40 videos, because that's not enough videos to start getting good views. As you can see, this channel 3.8k videos, this channel 1.8k videos, this channel 2.5k videos. So you're going to have to upload at least 1,000 videos to be able to start getting some pretty good results on your channel. You're going to see good results at like 1,000 videos. So this is going to come down to volume, and you need to do a lot of volume when it comes to these channels. So if you're struggling to create so many videos because you either have school or you have a day job, then you can go ahead and outsource these different types of videos and pay a freelancer to record the videos, and then you don't have to do it yourself. So then it comes like sort of like passive income. So if you want to, I've done a video on outsourcing. Let me just try to see it here. Here it is. YouTube Automation Outsourcing Guide for Beginners. These videos I'm mentioning right now, I'll also leave them linked up in the description of the video if you want to watch them after this video. So you have to do a lot of volume, at least 1,000 videos to start getting some pretty good results on your channel. Then once you have uploaded like 100 videos, 200 videos, you want to analyze your videos and double down on them. So for an example, if you go, I'm just going to use this channel as an example. If I go to their popular videos and you do the same on your channel, but within your actual YouTube studio, and you see like Roblox is getting tons and tons of views, then you want to double down on that topic and do more Roblox tutorials. And if you see that the top 5 apps you're talking about are getting you some good results, double down on those apps, find more video topics within those apps, upload those videos, and your views are going to increase exponentially. That's the analyze and double down strategy. Now, when it comes to actually making money from the channel, you're going to have to hit the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours to monetize with ads. But the good news about making money with your channel, you can do it from the very beginning. And a great method to actually monetize these apps and stuff, tutorials, is by using Amazon affiliate marketing. Okay, so if I go to this channel right here, you can see MD Tech Videos, a nice big channel. This isn't in the apps niche. He's actually talking about everything relating to Windows and stuff like that. But if I go to his description here, of his channel, you can see he's got an Amazon shop link. And this is what you can do with your search-based channel in the apps niche, is promote stuff on Amazon, like mobile phones, gadgets for your phone, screen covers, and stuff like that. So if I click onto his shop, you can pretty much put anything that's like cool and trending relating to phones. So you can create a Amazon shop and you can put like the top 5 best Android phones, the top 5 best iPhones, and stuff like that. You can put gaming chairs because people love that sort of stuff. And you can even include like accessories for mobile phones, chargers and stuff. People will visit your shop, and when they buy something, you will earn a commission, and then you'll be making money before you hit the 1,000 subscribers, and you'll be able to monetize your channel. So that's how you build a search-based channel in the apps niche. A very good method. I have a channel in this niche myself, and I'm getting some pretty good results with it. But the key with it is to stay consistent and never stop uploading. Now, if you would like to learn more about this in depth, then I have a free guide for you, which you can get at the first link in the description of the video. All you need to do is enter in your email address, and I'll send that guide straight to your email address. Now, if you want to learn more about search-based channels, you can go ahead and watch this video right here, and I'll see you in that video.